Skill Bite here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you install the door rain guard on these Dentsides. This is on a 79. We open that up. You can see there's a screw there, so it goes on the inside of the front channel. There's a screw there, and a screw there. It goes on the outside of the channel on this one. At least on mine it does, which makes sense because here you don't have, that's, hopefully you can see that. So it has to go on the inside there, and then just right there on the edge of the window channel comes down. Now you may have to, if you're adding one, you'll want to put the rain guard up, mark where to drill the holes, drill your holes, put your screws in. I'd use some sort of like silicone or something there, try to keep it from rusting where you put the screws in. But that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Sure. All right. Whoops. Doors apart. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.